In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Pakistan easily. We'll walk through the process inside the Wise Mobile 5 mobile app, and I'll share a few tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Start by opening the Wise app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that your app is up to date. So the latest fees and exchange rates display correctly. Once you're in the app, look for the send option. It's usually on the home screen or along the bottom navigation bar. Tap it to begin your transfer. Next, set the destination to Pakistan. Selecting the correct country helps Wise show you the right delivery options, the currency your recipient will receive, and an estimated arrival time. You'll typically see the exchange rate to Pakistani rupees and any fees up front, which is one of the great things about using Wise. Now enter the amount you want to send. You can usually toggle between the amount you're sending and the amount the recipient will receive. Take a second to review the breakdown: exchange rate, fee, and the final amount arriving in Pakistan. If you're working with a budget, adjust the number until it fits your needs while still covering what your recipient expects. When you're ready, tap Add Recipient. You may see this prompt again as the app confirms what kind of recipient you're adding, so don't worry if you're asked to tap it a second time. This simply ensures Wise collects the right details for a smooth transfer. You'll now choose how to add your recipient. If they use Wise, you can try Find on Wise, which can make things quicker and reduce the chance of typing errors. If you're sending to a bank account, add bank details. In Pakistan, that could mean providing the recipient's full name as it appears on their bank account, an account number, and, where applicable, an IBN that often begins with PK. Double-check every digit to avoid delays. If you have a bill or proof of payment, you can upload a screenshot or invoice to clarify the purpose of the transfer. You can also pay by email, which lets Wise contact the recipient for details, keeping sensitive information out of your messages. Once your recipient is added, you're set. Review the information one more time for accuracy and consistency. That's the entire setup. The next time you send, your saved recipient will be ready, making future transfers even faster. And that's how to send money to Pakistan easily using the Wise app.